first third of the day. G'day, this is Oz ADV Rider. We're out on a group ride today. I've organised it through the Ballarat Riders Group. There's only 4 of us. It's going to be a hot day. Just coming into the Carrara upstate forest, and we're heading to Avoca, then up to Mount Cole. Oh shit, wallaby. Yeah, a lot of roos out here. Probably won't see him, but there was a whole heap in that paddock. Tell you what, the first time I come down this track, I was thinking, where the hell am I? Thought I was going to ride into someone's backyard. So this is Rambler track. This is a nice track, pretty smooth. You can get along pretty well here. How's the dust? Yeah, it's not too bad. It is dusty. Yeah, it's just got a nice flow to it, this track. Got some nice cambers you can use on the corners. It's fairly loose gravel. So that's Quartz Mountain right in front of us. Just got to find the right way up. It is not that one. I tried it. Quartz Mountain. Leaving Quartz Mountain. Oh, it's a bit dicey. It's not the best car park up here. So I think this is M9 track maybe, or M7, one of those. What I found out here, all the tracks with M's are quite good, a bit more challenging. Oops, did I lose everyone? Yeah, we're good. I think it's a good route for a bigger group ride. It's enough to keep people interested. Not as much dust. If you're on smooth gravel roads, speeds are higher, more dust. Oh, a few more roos. Oh, heaps of them. Big eastern greys. Oh, far out. There's some joeys. Check them out. Cross my path, I think they might. Here we go. Oh, is that it? Yeah, she's a bit overgrown, this bit. I don't think it gets used too often. If they're starting to doubt me yet. The house just there. Oh, more roos. There we go. This is looking better. Righto, this bit's unknown to me, so so here we go. Oh, more roos. These ones are going to go across the path. Oh. Probably should check everyone's following me. Oh, here comes another one. Look at this little fella. Roos everywhere. There's a big one down there. This way. Ah, nice. Oh, a bit of a ridge here. Yeah, we're just heading into Mount Cole now. We stopped off at Avoca, a Pyrenees pies. I had a camel pie and a Coke. Santos headed off home. He was feeling a bit crook. Oh, there's a roo, a couple of roos. Yeah, big bushfires out here about a year ago. Ooh. You could jump that. I don't know what the landing would be like though. Oh shit. A few logs. Just come across a decent log. There's a couple of other trucks around. I don't know them though. You get down that bit okay? Will you get down there okay? Yeah, just trying to find a way around. Track. You want to try the track up there or the other way? Yeah. Yeah. The switchback track. Yeah, I've got my saw with me, but that was a fair sized log. I don't really want to be cutting through it. There was a truck over here somewhere. It's too hot to be bloody sawing down trees and dragging bikes through trees. Is that it there? And have a look. Righto, my nice easy ride might get a bit harder. Just keeps going up. No problem, second gear. Still going up. There's problems like that, and there's diversions like that that can make a trip really interesting. You end up finding great tracks. Still climbing. Look at that. Nice. That was alright. Yeah. Bit of a shortcut. That cut out a fair bit.
I didn't even see that one when we went.
Oh, right,
That nasty little one.
Yeah.
Just past it. That's where I saw the logs.
That's where we would have come out, wouldn't we?
We would have come out further down. Yeah, that was a shortcut. Yeah, it was good. Kept bloody climbing though, didn't it?
Yeah.
This is all compacted nicely. It was a bit loose last time I come through. Much better. What do we got? Just bark. Red rock. This is the one. I'm following. Righto, straight up this rock. Hey, you bastard. Check that out. go straight down the middle. Yeah, go see if we can find this reservoir. I tried to go into it once before and it was a dead end, but I think there's another entrance. You can see the water through there. Gates are open, that's good. Ah, look at that. That wedge-tail eagle, that's beautiful. So there's another one. Look at that. Wow, what a beautiful bird. Oh, cool. What do we got here? Huh. A cool hut. Yeah, very good. Yeah, mugwump. Oh, look at that. Right, hey guys, it's been a fantastic day out. I always love riding around Mount Cole. Such beautiful scenery. As you can see, very, very dry at the moment though. But yeah, still spectacular views. Great to catch up with Steve and Andy and Santos today. Rob, sorry you couldn't make it. Hopefully you can come on the next one. Hope you've enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time.